cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make a Kung Pao Ji, yeah, Kung Pao chicken. Kung Pao actually means this thing. This is dried chili, yeah. Dried chili actually is another name for Kung Pao, yeah. So basically, this dish, the flavor is actually coming from the dried chili itself. So let's quickly take a look at the ingredient. Basically, they will normally use some boneless chicken. So I will get a chicken thigh, and then this is already deboned. I will normally buy a deboned chicken thigh and then cut it into small cubes, yeah, small cubes, so that it's actually easier to fry. And for this particular dish at the restaurant, usually they will try to cut all the ingredients about the same shape, yeah, so that the cooking process will be more efficient. As you can see from here, I'll be using some this is celery, also small cubes, some ginger, garlic, some yellow onion, and some spring onion. And of course, most importantly is the Kung Pao. Now, if you prefer a little bit more kick, you can actually cut the Kung Pao, cut the red dried chili open, but I did not do so. I don't want it to be too spicy because my family will complain, yeah? So, and then towards the end, I'll be putting in some cashew nuts lah. You can very quickly marinate the chicken with a little bit of light soy sauce and Shaoxing wine. To me, this is optional. Right, then we can set this aside. Because this is a stir-fry dish, therefore it's always recommended for you to prepare the sauce. Very easy, just put in a bit of oyster sauce. A bit of light soy sauce. A bit of Shaoxing wine. Dark vinegar. Some dark soy sauce. Some salt, some sugar. Today Appa is very messy because Appa is actually quite sick today. But sick also, you still need to cook dinner for family, right? And some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, optional, this one. And I give it some hot water here. We are going to starch this, yeah, so that later you don't have to starch it separately. But let me try to dissolve everything inside, all the salt, sugar, everything, yeah. Now we can put in the starch. So the sauce is also becoming a starch solution. That's why later when you stir fry this, it's going to be very fast. That's why they call it bao cao, yeah? This is called bao cao, stir fry. All right, our sauce is ready. All right, we can start cooking. First of all, give it a little bit of oil and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the Kung Pao, the ginger, and also the garlic. I don't mind putting a little bit of the white portion of the spring onion. Now what you want to do now is you want to get the fragrance out from the Kung Pao itself, the dried chili. How you do that? Look at your dried chili. When you start seeing the dried chili receiving all the heat, it will actually expand. Yeah, the moment when it actually expands, then it is a sign telling you it is you're getting the flavor you wanted. Yeah, see, the dried chili actually already started to expand very fast. It won't take a long time. I can smell it already. Next thing, we can actually put in the marinated chicken. Wow, very fragrant. So I'm going to stir fry this for a while. I want to purposely char my chicken a little bit to get extra flavor. Come back shortly. This after like 20-30 seconds. Fry a bit, see? It started to get char. I'm turning to the other side. I let it char also. Give it another about 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can actually start seeing some sauce releasing. That is actually from the chicken itself. And the chicken is actually getting more and more char. That is added flavor, yeah? Some coming out from the chicken fat itself. I want to give you a little bit more char here. We'll come back shortly. Right? I'm getting the char I'm looking for. So the chicken right now is like 60-70% cooked. Next thing, I'm going to put in the veggie, the celery, spring onion. Last but not least, our sauce. Immediately it thicken out because it's also a starch solution. I'm going to tune down the fire a little bit. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. So basically, when I'm adding in the sauce, the chicken is like already 80% cooked, yeah? So now, almost done. And just before I serve, I just give it a few dashes of white pepper. So you want to make sure when you cut out your chicken, try to cut it not too big, yeah? So that it get cooked faster and easier. Done. That's how simple it is to make a very nice Kongbao chicken at home. Super, super easy. Here's my Kongbao chicken, not done yet. We still have some cashew nuts. This is the roasted, yes, roasted cashew nuts. I'll keep the rest for myself. All right, done. That's how easy to make Kongbao chicken at home, seriously. But just to make sure, before you add in the sauce, the chicken is already like, 80-90% cooked, yeah? Because the sauce has already contained a starch solution. So after you add in the sauce, basically you can't really cook it for too long because it's going to be very thick. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page or click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. I'm sorry, Appa is actually quite sick today. So I hope I still can inspire you all to some cooking ideas. Alright, bye bye.